Alright, what's up, y'all? Today is December 8th, 2025, and the market is just opened. And it's kind of weird right now. Market open, we straight pump on NQ, but on ES, market open and we straight dump. So just watching out for that. That's really unusual, but I mean, pre-market, like pre-market, well, not pre-market, but the most recent pre-market, like right before market open, we had this fair value gap right here. Got respected, took out this liquidity, swept this liquidity, made turtle soup 3 times basically, including off the market open, so manipulated that, and then literally shot up just to manipulate these highs. And right now we're gonna see if this fair value gap, either this one or this larger one that was created, it's not the first presented, but it is a fair value gap. Let's see if it can get respected or whatever. And if it doesn't, then we're probably going to see lower. And if ES continues lower, then the odds are it's the buy is being bearish. So let's zoom out real quick. I just need to make sure. My fault. Just need to make sure that y'all can hear me. Zooming out, we had the high from Friday set in right here. We almost got there today, but just came up short. And then we got some lows down here. Let me put a thing right there on ES. On ES, we are taking out all these lows on NQ. Like, so we got bullish SMT technically right now. And yeah. Just see what happens, man. So yeah, and I know if you're looking at this video compared to the last video, I know I had 2 accounts. Yeah, let's just say I don't have those accounts no more. I have 1 account right now, so it just is what it is right now. Yeah, just gonna take it nice and easy. Take 1 trade today. Whether I win or lose, I'm only gonna risk like $500 to $600 on the trade that I take, and then yeah, that's just that. Yep. So now at this point, I'm just gonna wait, and then yeah. So looking at this candle, I'm definitely leaning more bearish than bullish right now. And it's kind of just displacing right now. I'm gonna just be patient though, man. See, I would like to go short here, but this wick is like, it's kind of crazy. But we are just rebalancing into this candle again, this displacement candle. But I don't know, man. Just want to be patient, man. Just gotta be patient. And then if I don't have a trade today, I mean, it is what it is. That's what I've been working on, man. Is just being okay with not taking a trade and whatnot. But I mean, this looks like there it goes, bro. I was just too late, man. I was too late. Unfortunate, bro. So that entry is literally already played out. Now I gotta look for another setup. Yeah. Crazy price action right now, man. I know y'all just saw that. It literally just spiked up 30 points in a second, man. 30 points in a second. No, even more, bro. 40 points. So right now, I'm glad I didn't FOMO in. Basically, this is just accumulation. Zooming out, we're just still in that accumulation right now. But we did just, I don't even know, bro. It's kind of tough right now. It's kind of tough. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. But that's why I'm just gonna, just gotta wait perfectly, or not perfectly, just patiently, and then that's literally it, bro. You just gotta wait, bro. Wait for your proper setup. I missed this setup. I would have been in and out, but it's okay. They just create a very, very small fair value gap right here. See if it gets respected or disrespected. Looks like it's gonna be disrespected. Target like it'd be something like that, but I mean, in a second it just got respected. So all right, man. So let me fix this. Oh shit. So here's the trade. Basically, I went off the displacement, but I could have waited for candle closure, I guess. If I get stopped, I should have waited for the candle closure below this little mini fair value gap. Yeah. And ES is starting to recover a little bit. That's not too good for my bias, but I mean, I'm just going off the chart, bro. And I'm just taking it to low hanging fruit right here. Stop above pretty much the displacement. So yeah. So now I just sit and wait. Whether it's TP or my stop loss. But I will be moving that stop right even at this point. Well, I already got filled. All right. Dog. Wait, what? Hold on, man. Hold on. There's like I gotta check something. Okay, we're good. We're good. All right, so all right. I just gotta reset my NinjaTrader so y'all can see the P&L. But I mean, I couldn't see. Here's my thing, man. Sometimes, you know, I be going for that low-hanging fruit that was like an easy 25 points. But bro, but then the thing literally goes 60, 50 plus points after my TP or after my entry. Like, it's a little upsetting, but low-hanging fruit is low-hanging fruit. Profit is profit. Let me reset my my NinjaTrader because it looks like I didn't even take a trade, which I don't know what's going on, but let me just pull up the P&L real quick, and then that'll be the end of the vid. Because P&L was like 640 something, 650, I think. But let me just prove to y'all, not like prove, but like, you know, be a little bit more transparent. Because it looks like I took this thing on paper or something. My NinjaTrader is not loading. I think it's bugged out right now. Hold on, bro. So while we wait for my NinjaTrader boot up, let's just go over the quick recap. Market open, straight pumped, while on ES we're just dumping, right? We take out this high on NQ, so we just manipulated it and then started to break down while ES was still breaking down, basically, right? So then we had this pretty large fair value gap, not the first presented, the one that ICT teaches, but it's just a fair value gap. And I saw that we was respecting it a little bit until we wasn't, and then we broke down, swept this liquidity right here, technically again. Had a fake little rally that literally popped up in like 40 seconds. So I mean, that's like definition of like manipulation to me. So then, hold on, I'm just signing into my NinjaTrader right now. Hold up. So then I see us respecting the midpoint of the fair value gap, and then I see some displacement down, and then I just get in on that displacement. I was a little bit premature, but it worked out, and I just targeted low-hanging fruit. I could have definitely went for the Asia lows. That would have been a nice trade, nice P&L. Could have went for this London low, but that's just, I did what I did, man. And low-hanging fruit, 25 to 26 points we're gonna round it to. That's not bad, bro. So just come back the next day, and then that's it. So let me pull out that P&L right here. There we go. So I made about $650 on that trade, 640, whatever you want to say. Yeah, it could have been. I do want to just see what it could have been if I would have been a little bit more ambitious. Is that the right word to say? I don't know. Could have been like a $1,200 trade as we see here, but it is what it is. That's not the trade that we took. Can't go back in time and change it. Only taking one trade. So yeah, that's it, man. So yeah, that's gonna be the vid for today. I kind of feel like I kind of yapped a lot today, but yeah, whatever. If you like this video, if this video helped you in any way, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all next time. So I mean, peace out.